Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active Bettafix key, CLI installed, and outgoing HTTPS allowed. Once done, export the key into your shell so the CLI and SDK auto-authenticate. Then run a quick test call, Bettafix status or SDK. Client. Ping. This verifies connectivity and permission scopes. Make sure to note the organization ID returned. You'll need it for follow-up endpoints. These first steps get you past friction fast and reveal any permission or network issues early. Next, build requests carefully. Pick the correct endpoint and include required fields like model and payload. Use JSON with clear keys. Once done, validate the schema locally to avoid 400 errors. When sending large payloads, chunk them or use a presigned upload flow to conserve time. If you expect many calls, implement exponential backoff for 429 responses and respect rate limit headers. This reduces failed attempts and keeps your quota healthy while ensuring reliable processing. To finish, retrieve the outcome by polling /fixes/status or, better, register a webhook and verify HMAC signatures for authenticity. Once done, reconcile response payloads against your internal ID and store the request ID for audits. Make sure to implement retries for transient 5xx errors, but avoid duplicate processing by idempotency keys. If something breaks, first verify the API key, network, and timestamps. Then check the webhook HMAC. It's the most common source of perceived failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.